Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got us a pen crest here, which is really Smith Corona. And it's got one issue we're going to deal with right now. That is, this right platen knob is bent, or the shaft is bent. And we're going to try to straighten that out without breaking it or making it worse. So let's just pop the platen right on out of here for starters. Okay, flip this out of the way. Okay, so sometimes with these platens you can just find the high point and bang it like this. But this has got this ring around the knob, and it's very well is going to break or bend this, so let's not do that way. But let's find the high point that way. So I'm going to roll it until on the high point, which looks like to be right about there, and I'm going to mark this roller. Let's see, right there. So it's going to help me when I take the knob off. I just want to get to the shaft down here. Alright, one more turn. And you can almost see the shaft bent. So there's a couple of ways to do this. You can do the slam method by putting a block underneath it, like this, and slam it right there. That's the high point right there. But I'm going to just take my channel locks. There's a third way you can do this. You can put a rod on this, an open rod, and form it that way. I'm just going to try to get it right with this. And see if we can get this close the first time. The bend is probably right here, right there at my fingernail, because that's the skinniest part of it. It tapers down right there. That's where they have a tendency to bend. But it's also can break if it's too big of a bend. I've broken some of these, re-straightening them out. Let's just take this, give it a little bit of a tweak right about there. I don't know. I can't get a good. I'm worried that this is gonna. Okay, let's try it this way. I think I like that. I don't think I like that method. I'm going to try it this way. Get a little more precision control. I'm going to go a little more right there. Let's put the knob on here and do the roll test. So you can roll this on a flat surface and kind of see how it's looking. Pretty close. Put it in the machine and see how she looks. When it's in the machine, you can really tell against this. Oh, it's not latched. And it put the collar on it. Pretty close. You put the collar on it. Going on?
Fend for yourself.
Okay. You going somewhere?
No.
What do you got?
Eggplant.
Ah! Okay.
I figure I'm like, I'm at an Asian place. I'm like, yeah, you can run down to Panda Express if you want.
Yeah. No troubles. Okay. Let's see how this looks. It's a little bit. So let's say this is the high point now, right there. This is not where it was before, is it? The high point before was on the other side. So I went too far. See that? Let's start over. Wipe that off. So high point is going to be right there. I would be very surprised if I got this right the first time, because it's not anything but a trial and error process. So that's too high on that side, right? We're going to bring it back down just a hair. I don't know. I don't think that moved very much. Alright, let's try that. It's pretty close. I mean, it's probably acceptable. Although, the customer on this is going to be extra critical because that's the one thing they pointed out initially. And of course, they're going to look at that when it's turning. And they'll be able to see any kind of wobble. So let's see if we can get this thing pretty close. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Ah, close, but it still looks like it's the same spot here. Boy, that's I'm going to try this one more time. It's not too hard to do multiple times. I'm going to whack it a little harder. So I can almost see it, but it's very small. Right there. That's a pretty good whack there. I actually think I saw it move, so. All right, this is going to be the third time with the charm, right? That's what I'm saying. Come on. Oh, that's closer. Closer, but not enough. This other side looks pretty straight. I don't know, what do you think? Should I leave it or should I whack it some more? Leave your vote in the comment and I'll let you know what I did. Good day.